This is what Molly does when I'm eating. Hey. What was that? What was that? I'm eating. What? What? What do you want? Where'd you go, girl? I'm so sorry about them. Music in the background. Hey. Hey. Are you hungry? Well, you are. Oh, you're itching. See, I was eating a pizza.
Another piece cake. Ooh, the feeder. Go sit down and eat.
She's just confused. Come on. Here, let me take a bit. I forget it. Come on.
How's the pizza, baby?
It was good.
Yeah. Got some more over here for you.
No thanks, I'm okay. But I enjoyed it. Come on, Molly girl. Eat it. I got bruises. Ow. This is what she does. She just begs for my food until I give her a little bit. Yeah, and she doesn't even eat her own. Like, she's like, what even is this monstrosity?